Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So now we're going to show you again the power of knowledge. As you can see, we just have a count of 768. So we are going to look into gold and see what is going on and see what we can do with the gold. So guys, this is 4 hours time frame. In order for me to do analysis so you can understand very well, let me flip my phone like this. I know you always ask me why mostly I don't use PC. Sometimes using PC is about having a bigger screen, nothing else, nothing special. Because what you can see from PC, you can also see it from here. So it get easier for me to use a phone mostly because I don't have to go and switch on computers and everything. So now we're going to check gold from 4 hours time frame. Guys, I want you to check this. You are saying that you don't know how to trade, but I'm sure you can trade. The thing is, you don't trust yourself. I just want you to check this and then tell me if you don't see what is going on. You know, come on, man. Then tell me if you don't see what is going on. From here now, you clearly understand that gold is now moving into this area, is consolidating. And as you can see, it's been touching here for several times. Now, what it's going to do is also to retest for the third time before either it breaks up or it breaks down. So according to what we see here, we need to calculate what we see, because once this shows you bullish pricing, it really says that the buyers are serious in pushing gold up. That's what it means. It means that the buyers are not gonna just let the sellers break down easily. So now, since this is a 4 hours time frame, let's just delete this and go to lower time frame and see what it can see. But what I want to show you guys, I want to show you that what is happening there is the same thing that have been happening here. You will get this. That's why I said, guys, you can trade. But the thing you need to trust yourself. If you can see what we were talking about, let me again mark the zone so you can see what I'm talking about clearly. This must go above there. You can see that what is happening there, what is clearly happening here is that gold have been trying to break down and go up and try for a second time. For the time it might shoot up. The same thing that I'm telling you about that have happened here. You can see how many times gold have been moving around. At the end, it managed to break up. Oh, I think this was few months back. So now, what we're going to do, let's just go back again. I will show that gold is doing the same thing. Even though you can just check this area and also check this area and then tell me what you see. It's exactly the same thing. You see, guys? So even if you can go back also, you can see this, I think was last year. You can clearly see that what happened here is exactly what is going on with the current situation. So I hope you see this, guys. Come on, man. Doesn't want to move. Yeah, I just want to put it above there, just here. So check this movement. It's still the same thing. God have been doing the same thing. Check what happened here and check what happened here, and come to this side also, and then go to the current situation. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So since now we have this bullish piercing, a bullish piercing here, and also before price comes down we had dark crowd, so bullish engulfing, and after this bullish cross, it means that the buyers are clear getting stronger. So let's jump to probably 10 minutes and see what 10 minutes is doing. When it goes to 10 minutes, we're still moving in that area that I told you about, so you can see that this area has been doing the same thing that I told you about. Down here it's been tested for second time, which is what happened above there, and is coming for the third time. So what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think gold might be trying to break this? Do you think so? So what I think is that gold might break here, but remember we have another small zone here. We have another small here, I'm not sure if gold is going to break those areas. If it's going to break this completely and break this completely, I'm sure that gold is trying to settle and then shoot up and then go up, That's what I think now. So if gold will do that, then I will buy, I will buy gold. I'm not gonna look for any downtrend entry. Just go to 15 minutes also and see what I'm talking about to be clear on your side, guys. So if you check what I was telling you from bigger time frame, it shows up that gold has been struggling in a 15-minute time frame, but at the end it breaks up. After going up there, above there, you realize that we have another area that is a stronger resistance that helped the sellers to have power and come back down. So what is going to be next movement is to bounce back from this area where gold is heading off and come with more power to break up there, So for me, I think this is an opportunity of waiting gold and kill it nicely and silently. So in this case now, once gold bounces back after setting support now, what I will do is to buy it. So with my small account of 700 and something, I'm sure that I'm going to get enough bags from this, which means that I will be able to have some half of this account balance, or I will just be able to just double my account. So in this case, guys, I'm going to wait for this candle to do and whatever it want. I will wait for it. After coming back for this area, let me mark my area where I will buy gold from. After coming back and break this, then this is where my entry point will be. I will be waiting for it, or I can just set, you can see this will be my entry point. Then after taking that entry point, my first TP will be to this candle, closing of this candle, and second TP is gonna be somewhere around here on the closest of the previous high, which is where now we have our resistance stance. So I will wait for this to come back and touch this level. After touching this level, then I will be in. So my people, let's wait and see what is going to be next, and I will be waiting for your comment in the comment section below, or you can even just send me a message and comment on my analysis. Then we can see what you thought about this, and also and also we can see what was your thinking about this analysis, so my guys, let me just do this and put my entry point here. Come on, entry point. My entry point will be to this level, exactly to this level. Why is not moving? Yes, it will be there, obvious, so what you're going to wait for is to see what is going to be next movement. Sharp, my people. Let me say Jay loves you all. Yo, my people, what's up, my people? So it is time to go in now. See what I was telling you now? Since we got here morning star, it is time to jump in. I'm not gonna wait gold to break here and reach my entry point there. I will just go in, my guys. I will just use proper risk management, probably 0.05, and then I open a few more positions and then see what is going to happen. This is what I was telling you, that I was gonna enter after breaking this area, but now I've got confirmation after gold bounces back, gives us here morning star as a strong candlestick. I hope you can see this. So from there I chose to enter my trades before it reached the entry point that I was expecting to enter from. So now, my people, I'm going to wait and see what is going to be next. And here you are with me. We will be controlling everything together. So you will be telling me exactly what was your point of view on this analysis, if you just expected the same thing or if you expected something else. So after now pushing our entry point here, still our take profits are still the same. We're gonna take profit here, first TP, and second TP is gonna be there, and then we'll be out. If gold is gonna keep on moving this area also, because it's possible. Let me just make it longer. It can keep on just consolidate here, probably until Monday, because today there is nothing big. I think don't have any big event, but there's a possibility also of breaking up, and just give us our take profits. Or even if you can keep on consolidating here, the end it will break up. We don't have any problem with that as long as we have confirmed this. So my people, I think what we have to do is to wait for the feedback. Yo, what's up my people, this Jay again, guys. Here we come back with our trades. I entered more trades. I will explain to you what happened there exactly. Let's go back to our chart. So as you remember, we took our entry from here. This was our entry point, and price went up and reached TP1. So my target was to close with TP2, So once TP1 were reached, I refused to correct my profits. And then what happened, the sellers pushed price down and comes back down to the level where it started from, and it went down deeper. You can see where it stopped from, and from there it's pushed up again and went to my first TP and even breaks the level of my TP. So I said this going to my second TP. Instead it were rejected again and comes back to this. After breaking this for the third time, I said if it shows me something special, then I will just enter more trades. Here where you can see it just gave me double bottom. After giving me double bottom, then I entered more trades here, a little bit below here. That's why when you check to these prices, The first entries have for $24.55, and the second have 27, because I entered this a little bit below from where that I entered the first one. So now what is going on here, guys, is that price will go and reach the TP2 no matter what, no matter what price we do, it will have to go that side. So now myself, I'm saying, instead of waiting, because soon market will close, today is Friday, instead of waiting for the second TP, because sometimes market can be manipulated Monday and open with the gap, we don't know, because sometimes manipulation happens. Instead of waiting for these or for second TP, why don't I close with this? Because we have managed to reach half of our account, as we always say. Once we have half of our account, this is a big winning. So we have passed it until we are almost to double account. So my people, I do this always to show you that it's easy for you to trade. As I told you that we will do this no matter what price will go up, and no matter how consolidation happens, but you can see that my prediction was right. So just leave your comment in the section below and tell me what you think about my analysis. And if you saw this coming, then don't hesitate to leave your comment. Now let's just close this. Let's close this and wait from Monday, where we start over again and trade this account. So Monday we have to withdraw some cash here and leave 500 or 600 in order for you to understand that small account can be grown, because some of you guys always think that people makes money because they have big account. That's why I don't show a big account. I always trade with a small amount that everyone can afford, So enjoy your weekend, guys. Jay loves you. And for you who were asking promo on mentorship, promo has been launched. Go to my public Telegram group, then you will see that I have managed to give you 7% off, so you can be able to trade like me. So this promo will last on 3 days. If you don't get that chance to grab this offer, then you will miss a lot. So let me say goodbye. See you Monday, guys.